welcome to another Top Pros financial video. Today's video is going to be about PayPal, ticker PYPL. It's actually a video based off of one that I released previously on PayPal about a month ago. If you haven't seen that one, I highly recommend you guys go check that out. And when I released that video, PayPal stock was at $300. And if you watched that video, you would know that I said that I thought it was a little overpriced at the time. I thought it would dip in the next month or two, and I said that $280 was a pretty good buying point. Maybe if you could see $275 or even $270, that would be great. Well, a month later, that's exactly where we're at. And you can see here in the chart on July 9th of 2021, PayPal was at $300.21. And if you look at PayPal's current price, you'll see it's at $274.87. And this is the 1 month chart. So in the last month, it's been down $27.53, which is a loss of 9.1%. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't think the dip was going to happen this soon and that fast as well. In my previous video, I stated that I thought it would take 2 to 3 months possibly to see the dip down to $275 like that. But I am glad it happened, and this presents a great buying opportunity right now. And in that video, we took a look at the tip ranks to see what the analysts had to say about PayPal while it was sitting at $300, and they suggested an 8% upside in the next 12 months. So now that we're down to $275, let's take a look at those updated tip ranks. Okay, so as we currently stand, PayPal has a strong buy rating with 23 buy ratings and 3 hold ratings. And the analysts are suggesting that PayPal reaches $336 in the next 12 months, which now gives us a 22.22% upside. And like I said, if we would have bought in at that $300 price, which is what it was at when I posted the original video, we would have only seen an 8% upside from that average price target. I also mentioned in that video that $280 wouldn't have even been a bad price to buy in at, and that would have given us a 14.6% upside. But luckily, it dipped even harder than I thought it would, and even sooner than I thought it would. So we have the potential to see a 22.22% upside in the next 12 months, which has almost tripled our upside from that $300 price it was at a month ago. And in an article published by Yahoo Finance a couple of days ago, they stated, in quote, PayPal is fairly valued at the moment. They also went on to state that, in quote, if you buy PayPal today, you'd be paying a relatively reasonable price for it. So with that being said, PayPal is definitely a very good buying opportunity right now. But Yahoo Finance also went on to state in that article that just because they're fairly valued right now doesn't mean that their stock price might dip a little lower. So it's possible to even see it drop a little more, even though this is a good buying point. Some investing strategies that I would recommend at this point now is to possibly dollar cost average this stock. And what that means is you take that dollar amount that you want to invest into PayPal and you split it up into equal increments. So for instance, say you want to put $100 into PayPal, what you could do is split that up $25 over the next 4 weeks. So put $25 in each week, regardless of what the price is at. And that'll kind of minimize your risk. Because if you invest all that money right now, your average price per share would be $275. But if PayPal dips a little more over that next month, your average price target could end up being lower over time because you continuously bought in at lower prices with that $25 increment per week. But if we look at it on the other side, if you decide to hold out thinking you can see a better price, and then PayPal's price ends up going up to $290 in the next month, if you would have dollar cost averaged $25 per week, you would have slowly bought in at a lower price as it's going up. So you wouldn't be buying in at full $290, so your average price would still be lower than what it is if you waited out and then PayPal happened to go up to $290. You wouldn't end up paying that $290 average price. It would be somewhere closer to $280, $285. But if you want to invest that full amount of money that you set aside to invest into PayPal, that wouldn't be a bad idea either. It really just depends on what your risk tolerance is. So to sum it all up for you guys, PayPal is a great buying opportunity right now, regardless of what your investing strategy is, whether you put it all in right now or you decide to dollar cost average. Right now is the time to start investing in PayPal. And again, if you guys haven't seen the original video, I highly recommend you go ahead and watch that. It gives you a way more in-depth and detailed breakdown of PayPal as a company. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, we just ask that you hit that like and subscribe button for us. Thank you.